everyone, it's Jennifer, and I got my box from Club Crochet. Yes, that's the name of the YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you what came in our box. It's pretty awesome this month, and tell you a little bit about this. So, for my box, I got Build Your Own Snowman. And the pattern's not in here, but a link to the pattern is, which is pretty amazeballs. So in the box, I got lots of colors to work with, and a big thing of white so I can make tons of snowmen, or a really big one. So all of these colors to work with. I mean, wowzers, that's a lot. So I got all these yarns to work with. I got 2 things of polyfill. Okay, it doesn't look like much. This is a lot, because when you open this thing expands. They are like vacuum seals in there. There's another card. I'm going to read that card information to you. And for the first time, we got sent a jar. I love the yarn and hook on top. And inside the jar, even though it's reflecting, sorry, are pipe cleaners, a tapestry needle, buttons, and amigurumi eyes are all down in there. There's the ami eyes. So all that is in there. That is like fantastic. It comes off like, that's the lid. And you've got all of that in there, which is just fantastic. I love this. I have another container that I keep my Ami eyes in. I am probably going to keep stitch markers in this, because I have a jar for my buttons as well. So I'm going to link Club Crochet's YouTube channel down below. And there's big updates coming to Club Crochet next year. It's awesome. But they are going to put the Pro membership on hold for a little while. And they automatically downgrade us to the pattern membership offering. The Pro membership is how we get the kits every month, which I get one every month, for making different things. And we get to choose which one of the kits we want. We're offered, 2 to 3 kits to choose from and everything. And of course, I think it's great that they're going to be making big changes to Club Crochet. I love that. We'll still get our free patterns and everything, but I am looking forward to it. And for those you don't know, it is Louie, and he is at Club Crochet, and he is pretty awesome. And it tells you a little bit about, there it is, it's Club Crochet membership and different things you can get. Plans start at $5 a month at clubcrochet.com. And it is pretty amazing. And there is Louie. Oh, it just went out of focus. And then you can check out the membership options. But I am going to link the website and the YouTube channel, because he has tons and tons of tutorials on his YouTube channel. And they are just so worth watching. I love his amigurumi. Now, he does some big, but a lot of his amigurumi are very small. But that's never a problem with me, because you can always take a small one and make it bigger. But I love these. I really do. It's awesome. Absolutely. But definitely need to. I can't show the code, I'm sorry. You have to buy the kit. But I love these kits. These kits are awesome. They always come packaged in a box like this. I had to open the box ahead of time because these boxes are a pain to open. You have to really get your fingers in there because it's got a heck of a top on it. See? Look how long that is. That goes all the way down to the bottom. So, I love these kits. They're amazeballs. Some of the boxes are smaller. This is a bigger one. And it does say snowman. I love Louie's kits. So if you get a chance, check Louie out. He's a lot of fun to watch. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.